absent for a while. Happens. I've been super busy with work, so let's get to this job today. We're going to be doing an engine swap and a large, older style John Deere. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. Things have been pretty busy business-wise, working on my truck, doing a bunch of stuff, but it's been a while since I put like a full-length video out on YouTube, so I wanted to make sure to make it a good one. So today we got this John Deere 318, and I'm going to be taking the old engine out of it. It's really tired, and we're going to be doing Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine swap V-twin. So let's get started. Hopefully you guys learned something along the way. Thing. I hate this series tractor, actually this year style tractor, whatever manufacturer. It's because they use metric and standard mixed all over the fucking thing. Just pick one. Pick one. It's a pain in the fucking balls. Pick one. Hopefully you can hear me over the heater. Let's get this thing outside, pressure washed, cleaned up, and ready for its new engine. One of the best investments you could actually have for one of these jobs or doing this really greasy work is get yourself one of these foam cannons off Amazon. They're really cheap. Will you unscrew that for me? There you go. And they work really good. Okay, just set that down and I'll fill you up. Just hold that for me. And I use just regular Dawn dish detergent. It works real well, and it's not bad for the environment. It's good. Don't wiggle. Hold her steady, Captain. How full are we? About halfway?
Yep, halfway.
Okay, screw that in. You're gonna have to get out of the way of this. Oh boy.
Whoa.
Careful. Dirty job, huh?
No, alright.
Here, set that down right there and then rinse. No, give me your hands. I'll rinse them off. Set that down. Once all over your face. Lazy. Come on, get back in the house. Kids these days.
Don't talk about me like that.
Get in there. Let that soak for a couple minutes there, and then we should be good to go to finish pressure washing it. Get this thing cleaned up, dried off, and ready for the new motor. Clement small engine, doing what the dealerships are scared to do. Hey Santa Claus, if you're watching this, I need a bigger fucking chop. Tires are all wet. Ready? The tires are wet.
Go!
Yeah. Roll you back a little bit. Ready?
Go!
Okay.
Hard!
I guess it don't work when it's got wet tires, huh? I mean, it works. All right, let's see how this thing fits down in there. Wow. Both holes are gonna fit perfect. Nice. Nice. This isn't a bad repower kit. I like it. Cool. Starter wires over here on this side now. Shit, yeah. Cool. I think this thing might actually work out pretty good. Alright, I'm going to call it quits for today, go get something to eat, and we'll be back on this fucker first thing in the morning, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. So, we'll see you in the morning. Because I am whooped.
Many unbearable hours later.
Time to get to it. So we left off last night. I had got this old engine out, ripped it out, pressure washed it, cleaned it all up, unboxed the new engine. Now this is a kit that you can get from a company just for these John Deere tractors, and I figured I'd go over that with you real quick. It is a repower kit from the Small Engine Warehouse. So, conversion kit instructions for a John Deere 318, and obviously they make it for everything. And you know, you can tell I don't read instructions. I've never done it, but let's go through them real quick and see what they say. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The bracketry all lined up, everything lined up that way. Really, really good. The only thing I had to do is I just switch a starter cable over to this side. It used to pass through on the other side, but that wasn't bad. I got the hydraulic cooling fins all blown out and cleaned out really good. A lot of people don't do that, and you need to clean these things. Otherwise, your hydraulic oil gets super hot and it puts more wear on the pump and, you know, the hydrostatic drive and, you know, all that stuff. The new clutch came with it installed. I'll go through and make sure everything's kind of torqued and ready to go, but I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, so what I'm going to do is I'm probably going guys up on a tripod and I'm going to hammer this thing out because I got a field of stuff coming in, and I probably got about 8 or 9 machines out there that need to be finished this week, and today's Friday, so you know what they say, make hay when the sun shines. That's what I'm doing. Let's get you on a tripod and get this bad ride running. And if there's anything technical, I'll try to stop and cover it, but it's all really pretty basic. Nuts, bolts, 3 wires, fuel line, fired up, do a burnout, you know, that sort of thing. I got everything all buttoned up, got some oil in it, got all the wiring hooked up other than the clutch. So let's see if this bad boy fires up. Give it a little choke. Could take a little while because it's got to get fuel up to the fuel pump, but let's do this. Give it some throttle. This thing runs good. Huh. Still can't believe these engines only take 1/4. That's it. 1/4. So weird. You would think a large engine like this would take more than 1/4 oil, but guess not. Alright, well I'm going to get the deck squared away here, get the new belt put on, get the clutch wired up, get the tins back on, and then we'll go take a parade lap and cruise this little girl around the neighborhood. Well, there it is. The John Deere 318 repower. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure you comment and subscribe, and your sister's ass and the bells, and I don't think girls are supposed to have bells. You know what I mean. Do the things. Yeah, so without doing a bunch of rambling, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video. And look out for the next one. See you later, guys.